Yes, we have here for you a Maserati Ghibli 3-litre V6 twin turbo. Need to make it sound a bit more beefy, so we're going to take this resonator out, leave these cats, and then gut out both the back boxes to give it a bit more of a sporty sound. These vehicles are lovely Italian cars. It's a luxury car, but hasn't got that oomph coming out from the exhaust. So I'll let you have a quick listen to what it sounds like once these resonators are out and the back boxes are gutted out. Gutting out the boxes, unusual option, but it does give you the OEM look when the boxes are still there. All these sound deadening comes out, clean the inside out, redirect the flow, and then you just listen to what it sounds like. Let us know what you think. Cheese! That doesn't sound too bad now, does it? Until the next one, please do remember to share, like and subscribe to our channel. Your support is highly appreciated.